Good morning, Fourier. Welcome to our maths lesson. Today we're carrying on with using written methods of multiplication, but I'm going to be going through some think questions to help you understand how to answer those. So today I will also send you through the solve activity for you to go at if you've done the think and explore. So here's a question. Tom treks 21 miles every day for 4 days. Jerry treks 19 miles a day for 5 days. Who has trekked the furthest? Explain your answer. So the first thing I can do before I can go anywhere near answering this question is I actually need to figure out how far Tom has gone and how far Jerry has gone. So for Tom, I do 21 times 4, and for Jerry, I do 19 times 5. And you can see through using the expanded method, I've got Tom coming out at trekking 84 miles, and Jerry has trekked 95 miles. So here's the first part of my sentence. Now, how do I actually go about answering this think question? Well, again, we're going to use the ape answers like we did in the previous video. So my answer is quite simply Jerry treks the furthest. Jerry went 95 miles, Tom went 84 miles, so Jerry has gone the furthest. There's my answer. That's my A for the ape. The P for proof, well, it's the calculations I've done here. There's no need to provide more proof. That is all the proof that I need to show that I've actually found the answer. But the next bit, the explain bit, this is a bit trickier. So what I've gone for is Jerry trekked 95 miles and Tom trekked 84. 95 is greater than 84 because it has a greater tens place value. Therefore, Jerry trekked further. So what I haven't done here is just explain how I've used the method. I didn't say, well, I multiply by the ones and I multiply by the tens. There's no need for that. My proof has shown that. What I'm doing here to show that he's gone the furthest, I've explained my understanding of how I know that 95 is bigger than 84. Okay, so by telling you it's all about the tens place value, showing why 95 is bigger than 84. So when you come to do yours, don't just use your explain to answer how you did the method. It's asking you which one went furthest, so make sure you explain how you know who has gone the furthest. Okay, I want to move on to another question. My number, 3080, is 4 times larger than 520. Am I correct? Prove it. Okay, so in order to do this, the first thing I need to do, obviously, is actually find out what the answer is. So it said my number, 3080, is 4 times larger than 520. So that means I'm going to have to multiply 520 by 4 to see if I get the answer of 3080. So here's my calculation, again using the expanded method, and you can see that I actually get the answer 2080. So instantly I already know I'm not correct here because I've got the wrong number. So in order to actually answer the question, again using our ape model, the A, the answer, well, the question was, am I correct? You are incorrect. Okay, quite simply, you are incorrect or you were wrong. You need to ask a simple answer to it. Then the proof, and as we've done many times now, the proof is the calculation you've done there. There's no need to prove it anymore. That is all the proof we need. Now the explain bit here, we have to say, how do we know that it's wrong? It's not just enough to say you're incorrect, and you can't just say you're incorrect because you've done the wrong calculation. You need to really show your understanding by showing the specific bit where they've gone wrong. So for example, you have calculated your thousands place value incorrectly. 4 times 500 is 2,000, not 3,000. Now, what I've done in the answer here by going specifically and saying that the thousands place value is wrong and explaining what I've done wrong and what is the correct answer, that's really showing you've completely understood. Just to turn around and go, now you've got it wrong, you did the wrong calculation, doesn't really show you fully understood it. By saying here that it's the thousands place value and this was the wrong answer and this is the right answer, it shows that you have completely understood the answer. Okay, so I hope that helps you with your think questions. As I said, you had the think questions yesterday and the explore questions. If you haven't done them yet, great. Have a go at them today using the information I've given you. If you have had a go at them already, go back and look at them. Do you make any changes to the written explanation that you've given? I'm also going to send you to the solve activity for you to have a go at that. Okay, well, have fun today and I will see you later.